Today's question was submitted by Bartholomew from the internet. What if you dug to Earth's core using only a spoon? Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding to dig all the way to the center of the Earth. No drills, no machines, no explosives. Just one ordinary metal spoon. How long would it take? The Earth's core is about 6,371 kilometers below the surface. Let's make things easier and assume your tunnel is only 1 meter wide. Even then, you would need to remove around 5 million cubic meters of material. That's enough to fill more than 2,000 Olympic swimming pools. Now let's look at the spoon. A spoon can scoop roughly 100 cubic centimeters of dirt at a time. That's about 1/10 of a liter. To remove 5 million cubic meters of earth, you would need approximately 50 billion scoops. 50 billion. If every scoop takes just 2 seconds, you would spend over 100 billion seconds digging. That's more than 3,100 years of non-stop work. No sleeping, no eating, no breaks. But there is a much bigger problem. The weight. Rock is heavy, very heavy. The material inside our tunnel would weigh roughly 13 billion kilograms, or about 13 million tons. That's equivalent to more than 2 million African elephants. And every single kilogram would need to be lifted out of the hole, using a spoon. Now let's talk about the spoon itself. A normal steel spoon would slowly bend, crack, and wear down. Let's be extremely generous and assume one spoon survives 100,000 scoops. To finish the journey, you would need around 500,000 spoons, 500,000. You could build an entire warehouse filled with broken spoons before reaching the core. But what would you actually find underground? First comes soil, then clay, then sand and gravel, then layers of solid rock, granite, basalt, ancient volcanic formations. Some underground boulders can be larger than houses, and every obstacle must somehow be removed with a spoon. As the tunnel gets deeper, another problem appears. Temperature. The deeper you go, the hotter it becomes. At only a few kilometers underground, temperatures can already become uncomfortable. Farther down, rocks become hot enough to burn. Eventually, temperatures rise into the thousands of degrees Celsius, and then comes pressure. Millions of tons of rock above your head push down in every direction. Without enormous support structures, the tunnel would collapse long before reaching the core. Even if the walls somehow stayed open, your spoon wouldn't. Steel melts at around 1,500 degrees Celsius. Near the Earth's core, temperatures can exceed 5,000 degrees. Your spoon would become a puddle of metal long before reaching the destination. And finally, the center of the Earth isn't a giant hollow chamber. It's a massive ball of metal, mostly iron and nickel. The inner core alone is about as hot as the surface of the sun. So could you reach Earth's core with only a spoon? If you had infinite time, unlimited replacement spoons, superhuman strength, and somehow survived thousands of degrees of heat? Maybe. But after all these calculations, one thing becomes clear. The spoon isn't the real problem. The Earth is simply much bigger than we can imagine. Thanks for watching. Everything in this video was drawn and edited by me. Subscribe for more strange what-if scenarios, and leave your weirdest question in the comments.